asteroid impact warning. SpaceX and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration have detected that Halley's comet will collide with Earth in the next 3 hours. The asteroid's hypocenter will most likely be located in the Atlantic Ocean. The east coast, including Puerto Rico, will be hit with tidal waves, debris, and megatsunamis. Close all ceilings that lead into your home, and hide in a room with no windows at all. This will lessen the chances of flooding.
Wear durable clothing to avoid getting injured by shards from Halley's Comet.